Today in this video we are going to discuss about percentage and shortcut of percentage. So what do you mean by percent? Percent literally means out of 100. Suppose you are going to write 25%. That means 25 by 100, or you can say 0.25. So in this video we discuss about percentage of any number, and we discuss about the shortcut trick which is used in percentage. So percentage means out of 100, and you can write any, suppose 78%, you are going to write 78, that is 78 by 100, that is 0.78. 78 is 0.78, 25 is 0.25, 23% is 0.23. Any of the number, if this percent involved means that is 23 out of 100. That means that is 0.23%. Now how to find out the percent of any number? Suppose someone was 13% of 230. 13% of 230. How to evaluate? So we know in math what we are doing, 13 by 100 into 230. 13% of 230 means 13 by 100 into 230. 13% means 13 by 100, and out of 230 we have to evaluate. But how we can write 13 by 230? 13 into 230 by 100 is also we can write, that means 13 into 2.30. I have taken this number, and because always it is easy for you to take a secondary number. Okay, now you have to multiply 13 0 0 33 60 33 39, then 3 you have, so you have to put decimal here. 13 to 26, 26 and 3 29. So 13% of 230 is 29.90. So we have to do from this case directly. I have told how to find 13% means 13 by 100 into 230. That means its denominator is 1. So now 13 into 230 upon 100. That means second number you have to take. 230 by 100 is how much? 230 by 100 is how much? 2.30. So directly we have to take this number. So if any number is given like this, then answer is 29.90. Suppose 25% of 740 or 743. So directly you can do 25 into 7.40. Whatever the number you have, always keep 2 digit after the decimal. 743 I am having here. See, 7.43. I kept 2 digit after decimal. That is because we have not divided 100 here. Directly we have done 25 into 7.40. Now we have to do the multiplication. 25 3, 75, that means 5, 7 here. 25 4, 100, 107 means 10 here. So point you have to put. Then 25 7 how much? 175 and 7, 182. Your answer is 182.75. So in this manner you can do this type of calculation in one step. Suppose you have to find 34% of 375. And what you have to do? 34. This one you have to write first. Then 375 means 3.75. Always you have to keep 2 digit after the decimal. Next number what you are having? 375. So 3.75. Now you have to multiply. I told to you how to multiply 2 digit number and 1 digit number. 34 into 5. 34 into 5 means 34. 5 3 15, 150, and 5 4 20. So how much? 170. So 0 17 now. 34 7. Just like that. 7 3 210, 7 4 28, 210 and 20, 238, 238 plus 17, how much? But I have done 7, 3, 210, 7, 4, 28. First you have to multiply with the tens place number, thereafter you have to multiply with unit digit. Okay. 7, 3, 21, 21 is 210, 7, 4, 28. Because after 4 no digits are there, then you don't need to keep 0. Okay. Now 238. 238 plus this 17. You have to add. That means 255. So 5 you have to keep on it, and 25 now carry. Now 3 into 34. 3 into 34 how much? 102. 102 and 25, 127. So answer is 127.50. Your answer is 127.50. In this manner you can evaluate any person given randomly 13, 25, 34, or any one or two example. Again I will discuss so that it will be better for you to understand. Suppose 53% of 2348, 4-digit number, 53%. The process will remain same. What you have to do? 53 into 23.48. Remember there are 4 digits, so 2 digits you have to keep after decimal. Last 2 digits always you have to keep after decimal. Now you have to multiply with 53. 53 into 8. 8 5 40, 400, 8 3 24, 424. That means 42 remain. 4 into 53, 4 5 20, 200, 4 3 12, 212 plus 42. 212 plus 42 how much? 254. Now 25 we are having. So point. Now 3 into 53, that is how much? 159. 159 plus 25, that is how much? 184. Again 108. Now 53 into 2, 106. 106 and 18 how much? 106 and 18, 124. Your answer is 1244.44. Your answer is 1244.44. If you are going to evaluate with this process also, you are going to get the same answer. Okay. One more number will do. Suppose 77% of 5942, 5972. So now what we have to do? 77 into 5.59.72. Last 2 digits you have to keep after decimal. Now 77. So 27, 14 means 140, 27, 14 means 140 plus 14, 154. 15 remain, 4 I have taken here. Now 77 into 7, 7 7 49, 490, again 49. So how much? 439. 439 plus 15, 454. 454. Now 4 5. You have to put decimal here. Then 9 into 7, 63. 630. 9 into 7 again 63. That means 3 693. 693 plus 45. 693 plus 45, how much it will be? 738. That means 73. Now 77 into 5. 5 7 35. 350. 5 7 again 35. So 350 plus 35, 385. 385 plus 73. 385 plus 73. So how much? 8, 8 7 15, 458. 458. So 4588.43. So what you have to do? Always you have to keep 2 digit after decimal. Then you have to multiply. Before going to that, you have to make sure that you know 2 digit and 1 digit multiplication visualization. That means you have to do that in your mind. Otherwise, it will take time to evaluate. Okay. So this is all about, you can take the screenshot also. This is the number, you can take the screenshot also. And thereafter we'll go to some shortcuts that we are going to use it. First time, yes. See, 100% means always 1. 100 by 100, that is 1. So 100% of any number is that number only. You have to multiply 1 there. 100 half is 50%. 50% means 50 by 100. That is 1 by 2 of that number. 100 of x means 100 of x means 100% of x means 1 into x. That means that number only. 50% of x means half into x means half of that number, x by 2. Then 25%. 25 by 100. You know that 25 is a factor of 100. 1 by 4. So 25% of x means 1 by 4 into x. That means 1/4 of x. Now 12 half percent. So 12 half by 100. If you simplify, you will get 1 by 8 only. Because 12, 8 are 96 and 2 4s are 96 plus 4, 100. So if 12 half of x is given 1 by 8 into x, that means 1/8 of x or x by 8. Thereafter 6 whole 1 by 4. 6 whole 1 by 4%. That means 6 whole 1 by 4 is by 100. That is how much? 1 by 16. 1 by 16. So if it is given 6 whole 1 by 4 of x, then 1/16 of x, that is x by 16. If you see, gradually we have taken half. 100%, 50% is the half of this. So here x we have taken 1 half is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Then 25% is the half of this. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. And 12 half is half of 25. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, that is 1 by 8. And the 6 whole 1 by 4 is half of 12 half. So that is 1 by 8 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 16. So these are the shortcuts, and so more shortcuts are there also. 8 whole 1 by 3%. 8 whole 1 by 3%, that is what? 8 whole 1 by 3 by 100, that is 12. 1 by 12. 1 by 12. And thereafter 16 whole 2 by 3%. It is 16 whole 2 by 3 by 100. If you are going to solve, you will get 1 by 6. And 2 more percent is there. 33 whole 1 by 3. 33 whole 1 by 3%. That is 33 whole 1 by 3 divided by 100. That means how much? 1 by 3. And 66 whole 2 by 3%. That means 66 whole 2 by 3 divided by 100, that is 2 by 3. So these are the shortcuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So more shortcuts are also there. That one we'll discuss in another video. So you have to remember 100 means 1, 50 means 1 by 2, 25 means 1 by 4, 20 whole 1 by 2% means 1 by 8, 6 whole 1 by 4 means 1 by 16, 8 whole 1 by 3 means 1 by 12, 16 whole 2 by 3 means 1 by 6, and thereafter 33 whole 1 by 3% means 1 by 3, and 66 whole 2 by 3 means 2 by 3. So this is how to evaluate. Now simply we write these shortcuts. You can take the screenshot also. Simply we write these shortcuts and we have to use it. 100% means 1, 50% means 1 by 2, 25% means 1 by 4, 12 over 1 by 2% means 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 6 over 1 by 4% means 1 by 16, 16 over 2 by 3% means 1 by 6, 8 over 1 by 3% means 1 by 12, then 33 whole 1 by 3% means 1 by 3, and 66 whole 2 by 3% means this is given in your book also 2 by 3. Now this table you have to remember, and this one we are going to use in any number. Suppose it is given 100% of any number, 100% of 2984. That means simply you have to multiply 2984. Instead of 100%, you have to multiply 1 there. Okay. So now it will remain the same number only. Okay. 100% of any number is that number only. Thereafter, if it is given 25% of 5348. That means 1 by 4 into 5348. So 411, 1 is the remainder. So 414, 1 is the remainder. 43 12, 1 is the remainder. 43 again 12, 2 is the remainder. 47 28 is totally divisible. That means 25% of 5348 is 1337. 6 whole 1 by 6 whole 1 by 4% of 52384. So 1 by 16 into 2384. So 16 1 16. Now 7 78. This number is 78. 16 3 4 16 4 we can take 16 4 64. That means 14. So now it is 144. So 16 9 144. So 149 is the answer. 16 I have divided. 16 1 16. 23 minus 16 7 78. Now 16 4 64. 78 minus 64, that is 14, and 144 16 9 144. So answer is 149. So directly 6 whole 1 by 4 means 1 by 16 you have to multiply. 25% means 1 by 4 you have to multiply. Here 1 by 16, here 1 by 4. So directly you have to use these shortcuts. And in exam, if question will come like the shortcut of 50%, that means 1 by 2. The shortcut of 66 whole 2 by 3%, that means 2 by 3. The shortcut of 12 whole 1 by 3, 12 whole 1 by 4, that means that is 1 by 8. So one number we will discuss. 16 whole 2 by 3% of 2534. That means how much we have to take? 1 by 6. 2534. So now what you have to do? 6 4 24. That means 1 6 to 12. That means 1 6 to 12. Now remainder is 2. And after 4 no digits are there, so you have to keep decimal here. Now I can take 0 6 3 18. Again 2 0 6 3 18. So this 3 will continue. So instead of writing so many number of 3, simply you can write 4 22.34. This is the answer. That means it will be a non-terminating decimal. Okay, so we don't need to write, or we don't need to put bar over 3. So simply you can write 422.34. Now 8 whole 1 by 3% of 5961. That means 1 by 12. 8 whole 1 by 3 means 1 by 12 into 5961. So 12 5 60. So we can take 12 4 48. 59 minus 48 is 11. 116 now. 12 9 108. That means 881. So 12 6 72. Now 9 remain. You have to put decimal 90. Now 12 12 12 6 12 6 12 7 there 84. Now 6 0 12 5. The answer is 496.75. You have to divide 1 by 12 into 5961. That means 5961 by 12. Answer will become 496.75. Now 33 whole 1 by 3% of 2538. So 1 by 3 into 2538. So 38 24 1 34 12 again 1 36 18. So 846. It is coming. It is divisible. If it is not divisible, again you have to divide with 3. So in this way you can use this shortcut and you can evaluate the value quickly. Okay. One more example I will do. I will give, and thereafter this will be the end of this video. 66 whole 2 by 3% of 9854. That means 2 by 3. 66 whole 2 by 66 whole 2 by 3% means 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 9854. Now 339 0 32 6 2 3 8 24 1 3 4 12. 3 4 12. That means after this 2 will be the remainder and no digits are there. So 23 6 18. Again 2 will come. Again 20 3 6. Again 6 6 6 6. It will continue. Either you can take 2 6, otherwise 6 7. You make it as because 6 will continue, so that it will be better. Otherwise 0.66 also you can write. Now maximum student commit mistake here, as because here all we have taken 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, but here 2 by 3. This number will be multiplied with again 2, as because it is 66 whole 2 by 3, that means 2 by 3. So now what you have to do, 2 6 32, otherwise make it 7, as because this will be non-terminating. 2 7 14. Now 1 carry, so 2 6 12, that means 13. Again 1 2 4 8 1 9. 2 8 16, 1 carry, 2 2 4 1 5, then 2 3 6. Answer is 6569.34. I hope you will understand this. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.